Fix it now. Construction industry sounds warning about problems on legacy road projects. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Westwood High battling sanitation problems more than a year after devastating fire.
Danger ahead. Opposition PNP says energy sector in crisis with Prime Minister overseeing the portfolio.
Kingston's Municipal Corporation gets tough on litter bugs.
Gruesome discovery, part of baby's body found in rural Clarendon.
And in business news, gas prices to fall to their lowest in 6 months.
There's also the health report, sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your views on the Prime Minister still holding the energy portfolio 3 months after the departure of Dr. Andrew Wheatley?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.